Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to connect your Wi-Fi printer to your Mac. Before we get started, I just want to say that this video is going to take into consideration that you've already unpackaged your printer and that you have plugged it in, got it set up, and connected, most importantly, to the same network that your computer is connected to. So for example, if my computer is connected to the Wi-Fi network, let's say Office, you want to make sure that the printer is on the same network, Office. And once that's been completed, the next step to add this printer to your computer will be to go up to the top left and to click on the Apple icon. You'll navigate to System Preferences and click on it. From System Preferences, we need to find the Printers and Scanners icon. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. And now we're on the Printers and Scanners pane in System Preferences. Now, what you're going to see here is going to be a little bit different than what you see when you're working on this, but it should be very similar. We're going to click the plus icon here, and I'm going to see a couple printers. I'm in an office setting at the moment, and we have a couple printers, obviously. Now, you'll want to select the local printer that shows up here, the nearby printer. Select the one that matches the model that you purchased and that you unpackaged and just set up. If it's not showing, you might want to double check and make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network and that it's plugged in and powered on, because sometimes they can't be detected unless they're powered on. I'm going to go ahead and select the HP LaserJet. You're going to see it flash here getting set up, and just as easy as that, we have set up the HP LaserJet Professional P1606DN. It looks like we've got the green light. That means we were ready to print. So you might want to take a look at how to print. And what we can do is, I'll just open up this, and you navigate to File. There it is. Print is the option, or the Command key and the letter P simultaneously. I'll go ahead and click on this. And now the printer that we see is the one that we've connected to. I could also print to another nearby printer. This is going to go through the process of adding this printer to my printer's queue and then print to it. I also have the option to add a printer from here and go back to the System Preferences page there. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. I'll close Keynote. And that about does it for connecting the Wi-Fi printer and how to print from an application. So to recap, we made sure that our printer was turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network that we were connected to with our computer. Second, we went to System Preferences, we clicked on the Printers and Scanners icon, and added the printer using the Add panel on the left-hand side of the Printers and Scanners pane. After we did that, we opened up our application, and we made sure that we could print from it.